The story: A Day at the Restaurant. My name is Emma. I am 9 years old. Today I am going to a restaurant with my family. We are all excited. We arrive at the restaurant and sit at a table. The waiter comes to our table and gives us menus. The menu has many types of food and drink. First, we order our drinks. I like orange juice, so I order that. My mom orders tea and my dad orders coffee. My brother Sam likes milk, so he orders a glass of milk. Next, we look at the food on the menu. There are many choices. I like pizza, so I order a cheese pizza. My mom likes salad, so she orders a big salad with tomatoes and cucumbers. My dad likes fish, so he orders grilled fish with rice. Sam likes pasta, so he orders spaghetti with tomato sauce. While we wait for our food, we talk and laugh. The waiter brings our drinks first. The orange juice is cold and sweet. I like it very much. Soon our food arrives. The pizza smells delicious. I take a bite and smile. My mom enjoys her salad and my dad says the fish is very tasty. Sam is happy with his spaghetti. We all enjoy our meals. After we finish eating, the waiter asks if we want dessert. I love ice cream, so I ask for chocolate ice cream. Sam wants a piece of chocolate cake. My mom and dad order coffee. The dessert is so good. The chocolate ice cream is cold and creamy. Sam's cake looks yummy too. After we finish, my dad pays the bill. We thank the waiter and leave the restaurant. I had a wonderful time with my family and the food was great.